everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to activate Windows 10 Pro step by step using the built-in Windows command prompt, and it's clean, it's fast, and it keeps your system completely safe. So first we need to check the window license status. Simply click on the search bar, then type here activation settings, then click on the activation settings tab. So as you can see, here is the window edition Windows 10 Pro. Now the activation status tab, here is the window is not activated, and here is the error code. So now we are going to fix this right now. Simply close this slide. Step number 1, click on the search bar, then type here CMD, then click on the run as administrator, and this will open the CMD slide. Now we have to type this simple command slmgr, put this space / then type this command ipk. Now here you just need to enter your Windows 10 product key, and this command will install the product key on your host device. And here you just need to replace the product key with yours, then simply press the enter key. Now the command was successful, and you will get the notification the product key is successfully installed. Then simply click on the OK tab. Now we have to move on the next command, and this command will activate the Windows 10 Pro. Simply type this command slmgr, put the space / then type here ATO, then simply press the enter key. The command was successful, and you will get the notification the product key is successfully activated successfully. Then click on the OK tab. Now type the next command slmgr, put the space / then type here xpr, then simply press the enter key, and this command will show the exact status of your Windows activation. The machine is permanently activated. Simply click on the OK tab, then close this terminal, and again you have to click on the search bar, then type here activation settings, then click on the activation settings tab. So as you can see, now the window is activated with the digital license. So with this simple step, guys, you can easily activate Windows 10 Pro. But wait, before I sign out, if this video helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share, and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.